$100 feet, you say?
Yeah. 110 more. Where you're at. Hey, 37 meters, that's whatever that is. That's 101. So
ridiculous.
Got about, 95
Oh, that was like at least 3. Ladies and gentlemen, the train is on the side of the snakes. Jesus Christ. Here I am all packed up at my buddy Chapman's house in outside of Tampa, Bradenton, Tacoma, with the homemade truck cap all rigged up. I stop at my mom's real quick outside of Fort Myers, and then it's Python time. Yeah. Lockable, openable. Truck cab packed with shit. We got guns, coolers, cooking tables, waders, backpacking shit. All ready to go. My buddy Chapman, Florida Fat Plants. Need some fucking
tour of the jungle.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Got a lot to wait, so yeah, if you got a lot to say, just say it. Aren't you tired of waiting?
Everglades, 9-mile pond. Got the 12 gauge, got the AR-15, got the canoe. Look for some Burmese pythons, iguanas, other invasive shit to kill and see how they taste. Let's go.
2, 3, squad!
Fuck all your politics. We got our life to live the way we want to be. Back to the primitive. Fuck all your politics. Who feels and knows it? And God will guide me. the primitive. Fuck all you wannabes. You don't mean shit to me. Let it bleed.
Alright, so here we are, day 5, I think. Yeah, day 5, although day 4 was kind of bullshit. I had to work a lot. I didn't really hunt. Day 5, been a frustrating couple of days. No snakes. Been dreaming about snakes. Had a dream last night. I was at my campsite. Saw a python. Went to shoot it, went to grab my GoPro, threw my GoPro on. My GoPro is made out of snakes. I had snakes crawling over my head, wrapped around my head. And yeah, things kind of went south from there. But I don't know, I'm still here for a couple of weeks, so I'm just gonna try to come out at least a couple hours every day. I'm probably gonna hunt for a good couple hours this morning. The plan is put my waders on and take off into these swamps. Knock, knock. Kill me, I'm here. Do it now. I'm right here, kill me. Python hunt day 6. Got Big Ben Murphy, Parma, Ohio in the house. It's day 6. Got another man here, got a little more manpower on the canoe. We're gonna get all deep like into the glades. See if we can't scare up some snakes. Let's go! We gotta smash into this fucking tree, this brush line as fast as we can to try to get through.
Drives us to say, running on our way.